How many of you have experienced favoritism in your organization? Where, let's say, your boss or any other co-worker is favoring somebody for reasons other than work, not because they're very good at work or they've delivered beautifully, but for other reasons. So what is the impact it has on you, and how can you really deal with it? So I want to talk about what is at the source of favoritism and what can you do about it. Hi, I'm Asta Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. You don't want to miss the new videos that I publish here every day. Talking about the source of favoritism. So if your boss is favoring somebody unduly, what is at the source of it? So like I had mentioned, every behavior, every action of ours comes from our beliefs, our core beliefs, right? And the deep-rooted beliefs. And when somebody is favoring somebody else, so let's say your boss is favoring somebody else, he is serving that belief of his, he's surviving that belief of his brain is surviving that belief. And there is most often a need that is being met by him favoring that person. I repeat, उनकी कोई ऐसी need है, कोई requirement है, we all have our needs within. उनकी कोई need meet हो रही है, पूरी हो रही है by exercising favoritism. तो जब वो किसी को favor कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ need meet हो रही है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो treatment वो employee उनको दे रहा है, right? It's because of the connect or because of whatever camaraderie he has with that employee. तो वो जो एम्प्लॉय उनको ट्रीटमेंट दे रहा है, जैसा भी है, कई बार होता है कि देयर इज lot of yes sir happening there, or maybe it is he's doing some favors, maybe doing some extra work, doing stuff which is not within the purview of his work, maybe doing a lot of boss's personal work, running around for him. It could be anything. It could be a lot of other factors, right? Where some need of his. And when I say need, it's not those external needs, oh, he's done this work for me. No, I am talking about the deep needs that we all have. Different needs. Now, it could be a need for acknowledgement. Yeah, it could be a need for being the yes sir in itself could be a need, that yes, somebody always agrees with me. Yeah, and that comes from some experience that he may have had in his past, from where he picked up the beliefs and hence this need. So maybe while being brought up, he was absolutely not listened to. Nobody paid heed to what he was saying. कोई नहीं सुनता था, सब बोलते थे तू तो चुप ही रहे, तुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है, तुझे कुछ समझ तो आता नहीं है. Typically, just an example. Now he got somebody, so he has that need to be listened to, because he wasn't listened to, he wasn't seen when he was young as a child. And now he found somebody, or he found few people who are always like, sir, you're right, absolutely, for everything we need your opinion, who are always doing whatever this boss says, right? So somewhere that need is met, and that is what he is looking for. That gives him a sense of, yes, I am something, I'm seen, I'm heard, right? This is one example. There could be a lot of other things, different needs that he is meeting by exercising favoritism, right? Now, while we know this is at the source of it, right? Now, what must you do about it? What can you do about it? This is beyond your control. Do you have any control over him, his behavior? You have none actually. But what you have control over is आप कैसे impact होते हो. आपके हाथ में नहीं है आपके बॉस का बिहेवियर, आपके हाथ में है उसको आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो. तो आपके बॉस दूसरे दो लोगों के साथ को फेवर कर रहे हैं और आपको उसका हर्जाना भरना पड़ता है, या आप कहीं पे निगलेक्ट हो रहे हो, या आप का जो जर्नी है वो रुक रही है, धीमी हो रही है, इम्पैक्ट हो रही है उसकी वजह से, और इट इज़ बिकमिंग an irritant for you. That is where the whole thing comes in, where how are you going to handle this? How are you going to manage this? How are you letting it impact you? And that's where, once you know that, okay, this is the source of it, he's suffering. He is suffering. And aren't we all suffering? We have our own ways and means of fulfilling our needs. Some serve us, some do not serve us. Now, this is not serving him, but he is right now unaware, right? But what are you doing about it? The one way surely is the way you are currently looking at it. My boss is favoring these people. It has this X impact on me. Now, is this whole thought process empowering for you? I understand this is happening. Now, you may argue, well, this is happening. What other thought process can I really adopt? जो हो रहा है वही तो सोचूंगा. Right, ये हो रहा है. But what are you thinking is going to impact your behavior? If you go on thinking that he's favoring these two people and I am impacted in so and so way, you'll keep on experiencing that frustration, that irritation, maybe that anger sometimes. And do you think it'll have an impact on your work? It'll have an impact on your health, on your way of being, on your personal life, on everything else? I'm sure it must be having. What can you do? Alternatively, creating a thought process which forwards you, which impacts you in an empowering way. And that will come from your belief system. So whatever beliefs you're carrying, that will impact your thoughts. But right now, what could be that alternative thought, alternative language that you can bring in so that it becomes easier, it becomes empowering for you, right? And you can handle it. So if you can look at it from a perspective that, what am I here for? That's one example that I'm giving you. So I am here for this purpose. So again, connecting back to maybe your purpose, right? How else can I approach this? So if one thing is troubling me, how else can I approach this? Can I really go and have a conversation with my boss if there is a trouble between us? What he's doing with those other two employees is his matter. But as far as work is concerned, is there a trouble? And if there is, then can I go and have a conversation with him around this? That could be one way, right? Or if there is something which is stuck, can I figure out a way of getting it done? Focusing on why am I here and what is it that matters, instead of this is what he's doing, this is what is happening, this is the impact. Is that really what you're up to in life? Right? आपके लिए क्या मायने रखता है, आपका पर्पस क्या है, आप वहां पर क्यों हैं, ये देखते हुए if you can decide what do you want to focus on and you create that language within you, अपने लिए वो language आप create करो कि जब भी आप वो एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, जब भी वो एक्सटर्नल ट्रिगर होता है, जब जब आपके बॉस आपके सामने उनको फेवर करेंगे, यू विल बी ट्रिगर्ड. और जब आप ट्रिगर करते हो, बीइंग अवेयर दैट ओ मैं फिर से ट्रिगर हो गया हूं, ये फिर हो रहा है, ब्रिंगिंग इन दैट अवेयरनेस. क्योंकि अगर अवेयरनेस नहीं होगी तो ट्रिगर भी हो जाओगे, उसके बाद में वो सारा थॉट भी रन कर लोगे और एंग्री, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, जो भी होना है वो सब हो जाओगे, काम पे इम्पैक्ट हो जाएगा एंड देन यू विल बी लाइक ये क्या हो गया. सो स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग इन दैट अवेयरनेस दैट ओके आई एम गेटिंग ट्रिगर्ड, मुझको ये इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है और अब मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. और फिर वही लैंग्वेज अपने लिए लेकर आइए, जो नई लैंग्वेज आप क्रिएट करेंगे, दैट इट्स ओके ही इज़ डूइंग इट बिकॉज मे बी बिकॉज ही इज सफरिंग, और दिस इज़ नॉट व्हाट आई एम अप टू. मैं यहाँ इस पर्पस के लिए आया हूँ, मेरा पर्पस ये है, मैं फोकस इस पर करना चाहता हूँ. क्योंकि जिस पर आप फोकस करेंगे वहीं आपका सारा अटेंशन होगा, आपकी सारी एनर्जी फ्लो करेगी. तो क्या आप अटेंशन इस पर देना चाहते हैं? I don't think so. So just try moving your attention, shifting your focus to something which is worthwhile, something which is aligned with your purpose, what you're there for. And you will see a shift, right? Because all of that is not in your control. There's nothing you can do about it unless your boss chooses to work on himself and address his needs, his fears, his beliefs. Okay, I hope you are able to relate with what I'm saying and you're able to get a feel of what I wanted to communicate. Hit the like button if you found it meaningful and subscribe to the channel as well. I shall see you very, very soon in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.